This is a sandbox puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Theo Geerinck and Symen Hovinga from No Problem Puzzles and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all the parts inside the frame in such a way that you can close the lid. But here is a twist. You can try to solve the puzzle and most of the times you will end up with one piece that doesn't fit, or maybe you will be able to fit like 3 parts inside of the frame like that, but then one piece it kind of fits but the lid doesn't go all the way down, so that is not the solution. The lid is supposed to go all the way down, so you have to remove the parts and start over and try to solve the puzzle again. If you like the sandbox puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So the solution will be following. You put these 2 parts like that and drop them inside of the frame, move all the way back. Next piece will be this one. You drop it inside like that, and as you can see, we have a lot of space right in here, and theoretically we have just a small space at the back, and it is just enough to fit this part. You put it inside like that, but the lid won't be able to close all the way, since what you have to do now is to slide this piece inside and at the same time close the lid, and the puzzle will be solved. As you can see, all parts are packed inside and the lid is fully closed, no sticking out parts. That was the solution of the sandbox puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Theo Geerinck and Symen Hovinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca.